The way the victims were talked about in the live stream was often careless, speculative, and at times borderline disrespectful, even when it was framed as concern or curiosity. How the victims were talked about. 1. Speculation over sensitivity. Throughout the live stream, the victims were often discussed in ways that felt speculative and casual, rather than respectful or fact-based. Rumors about drug use, social drama, or their personal relationships were brought up frequently, without evidence, and occasionally paired with disclaimers like, "Not saying they deserved it." Unfortunately, this kind of talk blurs the line between curiosity and blame. It invites harmful assumptions, even if unintentionally. 2. Innuendo repeated as insight. The discussion repeatedly circled back to unverified claims that some victims were involved with drugs, that certain sorority or fraternity conflicts were relevant, that reputations may have played a role. None of these theories are supported by official reports, but they were talked about as if they added context or explanation to the murders, which risks shifting focus from the actual facts of the case to rumor and innuendo. 3. Excessive focus on Kaylee. Kaylee Goncalves, in particular, was the subject of repeated speculation that she was the true target, that her injuries were somehow different, that she moved back home, and this might be significant, that all her teeth were knocked out. A graphic, unverified claim. Bringing up these theories without clear sourcing or confirmation crosses a line from analysis into sensationalism. 4. Spiritual claims presented without boundaries. A panelist who identifies as psychic described seeing events from the crime in vivid detail. While some viewers may find comfort or meaning in spiritual insight, presenting these visions as if they offer factual clarity, especially about how someone died, can be deeply uncomfortable and feels exploitative when not handled with care. 5. Little to no pushback. There was no serious effort during the live stream to fact-check, challenge, or clarify these claims. Even when theories veered into graphic or accusatory territory, they were left unchecked, or worse, encouraged. No one stopped to ask how this kind of speculation might affect the victims' families, friends, or other survivors. And final thought. They were victims of a brutal crime. They shouldn't be turned into characters for theories, rumors, or what-ifs. The live stream had the opportunity to honor the victims with care, but too often, they were used as fuel for drama, not treated with the dignity they deserve.